Hey, in this video, I will show you how to connect WooCommerce Coupons Connect with Affiliate Press. Now open the WooCommerce Coupons page. This is the WooCommerce Coupons page where you can add and edit coupons. Now click to Add New Coupon button. Now enter the coupon code and set the coupon amount. WooCommerce provides multiple discount types. Now click to Publish button. Created a coupon, now go to the Affiliate Press add-ons page. This is the Affiliate Press add-ons page. Now activate the coupon code add-on. After that, click to Configure button. This is the Manage Coupons page where you can see connected coupons records. Click to Add New button and select the affiliate user for the newly added coupon. Now select the source and coupon and click to Save button. Now a coupon is added. Go to the General Settings page. Open the Integrations tab. This is the Affiliate Press Integrations page. Here you can see 22 plus default integrations. Now enable the WooCommerce integration. Integration is enabled. Now click to Save button. Go to the front side without an affiliate link and purchase the product. Select the color and click to Add to Cart button. Product is added now. Open the cart page. Add the coupon code and click to Proceed to Checkout button. This is the checkout page. Enter the contact information and shipping address. Select the payment gateway and card details, and then click to Place Order button. Now your order is placed. Go to the back-end side commission page. This is the Manage Commission page. Here you can see all the commission-related records. See, the first record is a WooCommerce commission record.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.